This is 7.3, problem 2B, because you had 2A correct. From the problem, we know that n equals 100. Lowercase p is 0.54. Pi, population proportion, is 0.56. And we're predicting these people are going to win, so we're trying to find the probability that lowercase p, that sample proportion, is greater than 0.54. So find your z. That's p minus pi, or 0.54 minus 0.56, divided by the square root of pi, which is 0.56, times 1 minus 0.56, which is 0.44, divided by n, which is 100. And that gives you a negative 0.40. Z's are always 2 decimals because that's how the chart is checked up. So it is set up. This P now is changed to a Z. So we're trying to find the probability that Z is greater than negative 0.40. So I'm going to draw a picture. And in the middle would be 0. And negative 0.40 would be over here. And we'll find the probability is greater than. So I've shaded in what probabilities we're trying to find. I looked on page 2 of the normal distribution table. And you're looking up 0.40 because remember, this area is equivalent to this area. And it's 0.6554.